morning. It is a beautiful day, obviously, because it's not the weekend. So I woke up early today. As you guys know, like, my schedule's a little bit funky from being in France. Like, I haven't been able to fully recover from the hours yet, even though I've been here for a week, I think, already, maybe going to 2 weeks. So I've been cleaning my apartment because it's still like super messy from unpacking, laundry, changing my sweaters on my closet and stuff like that. So I've been needing to clean it up, and I just not been in the mental space to do anything, but now I am. So I'm just talking. I have paper towels in here. I also took the trash out, and what I want to do now is, I don't know if you can hear my voice, but I got sick on my trip in Paris, and like I got like a severe allergy. I don't know what's going on. I get sick like this like a lot. This is not new to me. Usually you put water and salt and lemon. I don't have lemon, so we're just gonna have to do it with water and salt, which is what I did last time. I drink water, bottled water. Unfortunately, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. So I put water on a cup, like so. Salt, and then you gargle that on your throat. I just like stir it. And I think if you do this with like warm water, it's even better for you. I don't really care. Like, I usually do it like this and it works just fine. It doesn't taste good. Just letting you know. Oh, it tastes so bad. Hopefully that helps me out. Again, it's usually during the nighttime. Like, I'm fine during the day, except yesterday I was like coughing non-stop yesterday. I'm not sure, but today I do. Like, once I'm awake, I'm good. So I don't know if that it is like the laying down. I'm not quite sure exactly what causes this, but it's not my favorite. I need to like do dishes and put some dishes away, so let's do that. These are clean dishes that I have to put away. Alright, kitchen is clean. Now we can log into work. I am finally back from being at my parents' house. Went through my drawers and found things that I wanted to have over here. So I'm gonna do like a quick, I'm not gonna show you everything because the bag is packed. I found some like sweatshirts that I wanted that I thought I had lost, and I found some other tops that I've been wanting to find in store and buy them, and I literally had them in my parents' house. So starting off, I think I thrifted this. I don't know how the fuck I got this, but it is a Harley Davidson hoodie, and I love this hoodie so much. I think it's really cool. It is a very big size. It is very big, but really cool. I think there's this specific girl that I used to follow on Instagram, and she used to sell stuff on Etsy, and I believe she had her own online shop. I forgot the name. It was like vintage something, and she used to have a lot of really cool stuff for like a good price. So I got that. The other thing that I found is my Boys Lie sweatshirts. So 2020, I found Boys Lie, love the brand, bought a lot of shit because I had nothing else to do. So I have a lot of their OG stuff, the first things that they released, and this is one of them. That's the logo. And I used to go on the hunt because they used to sell out so fast, and they will only go up to a size large, and their sizing was very small. So I don't know if I can fit into these sweatpants anymore. They're good, really good quality, but I really like them. And they used to be like more tamed down, like the colors. Like this is a cream color. The hoodie used to come in like a bigger size. This hoodie is, this one's a one size, but it's like at least an XL. And again, it's like a plain cream color with the logo, and then on the back it has white lettering. You're not gonna be able to see very much. That's one of the sets. This is probably one of my favorite ones. I love the design on this. I used to wear this a lot just because the material is so much softer. But this is how it looks. I think it's so cute. And then on the back it says, "What you don't change, you choose." Read that again. And I don't know, I love that. And then matching sweatpants. This was a scam, I would like to say, because on the website it looked red and the beading looked like it was gonna be red. And this is bright orange, and the beading of this is like rainbow, which I don't mind, but I just wish that it was all red like how it looked online. But this one says 1-800-BOYS-LIE, which is like their classic logo, and then it's just like fully bedazzled on the back. I don't know what it says in the back, but and then I have the matching sweatpants. And this one, because it's bedazzled, it was so expensive. And then this was more recent, but this is one of their t-shirts that I bought. I really like the colors. Like, it's simple, and then on the back it has like a really cool design. I really like this. I had some shorts, but I was very disappointed with their shorts. When they first released them, they were very long, very tight. I was like, what the fuck is this? I did not bring the shorts home. I was like, I'm not doing that. Some other things that I found is, I've been trying to find long tops. Look what I found. A long, plain t-shirt. Soft. It's like, if you know Soft and Sexy from American Eagle is that material. With the fucking tag on. Like, am I okay? I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. Yes. I mean, I'm glad that I bought it. But like, why was I not wearing that, you know? I've been looking for this shirt for so long. And I finally found it. I don't know, literally years. I've been looking for this shirt for years. It is a Brandy Melody shirt. I don't think this fits me anymore. But it's such a cool shirt. And I'm obsessed. I love this hoodie. It's from American Eagle from a few years ago. It is a Maui sweatshirt. I love the color, and like it's such a lightweight and like perfect for summer. And it's like beachy vibe, like Billabong vibes. I love this, and I'm so glad I bought it. And I wish I would have bought the white one, which I think I did, and then I got rid of. Some other shirts I love. I don't like that it says American Eagle, but like whatever. Very soft. Sleep to sleep for like sleep. I think this is more like a sports bra, but I'm very excited because a lot of things that I wanted to buy, a lot of basics I wanted to buy, that now I don't have to buy because they were free. They were already in my closet. Hi, it is Sunday. Yesterday I went to Rhode Island. I'm just vlogging because I'm a moron. I literally brought this like Target bag. If you order through DoorDash, they give you these bags. Love them. First of all, I order from Whole Foods a steak and a plantain so I could do steak with tostones. Because I already ordered this, but they gave me a yellow one. I was like, you cannot do tostones with a yellow plantain. It has to be green. And then today the steak, they ran out of it. I don't know what the fuck happened. Maybe because it's Father's Day, everyone bought steak. I don't know. That's never happened before. Steak gone. Then I also have this yuca, because I want to do fried yuca. I love yuca. Favorite one. Just make sure if you use this yuca, you have to make sure the skin is completely gone, because it could kill you. Literally poison. So that's that. And then I want to make the fried yuca, but I need to find how to do the dipping sauce that I don't know what it is. So that's another thing, which is why it's there. I also brought this Target bag so that way I could throw my Whole Foods bag in the trash outside on the building. I brought it all the way back home. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with me? What the fuck is wrong with me? Also, this is fleece that I bought at Disney Paris. Oh, it doesn't say. Established in 1992, that's when they opened Disney Paris, and it has Mickey on it. Cute. I really wanted the brown one. They had a brown one with Grumpy from Snow White, because I feel like I'm him. But they only had a medium, and they look very small. Like, this is a double XL, and it's like not even that oversized in my opinion. It is very soft, but like it's not even that big how I want it to be very, very big. I got my ASOS package, and here are my brother's big package potential wedding dresses. They got here earlier than they should. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then it has this really cute bow. I think I might take the flower. Can I take the flower off? Okay, so that's one. This one, I don't think it's gonna look good on me, but like I had to like try it out. And then he has this like long scarf for the back, and then he has a cutout on the side, but like I feel like this is gonna look so ugly on my body, but it's so cool. Okay, now I need to try the dresses and see how they're gonna look. I'll show you guys, I promise. I love this. I think it looks really cute. It fits me perfect. I said it was gonna be a little bit too small. And then the back, obviously it's not tied up properly, but it's all open. It fits me perfect. I do not love the material, but I feel like it should be fine. I just feel like they should have been $50 versus like $100. If I was skinnier, this would have been the dress. I can button this up. My boobs are out. This is a size 14. The other one is a size 10. It's still very pretty. Again, the quality is horrendous. This should all be like literally like 20 bucks. Like I've gone better dresses from Forever 21. I kind of knew this one wasn't gonna work. Like fits weird over here. It honestly, it like fits. It's not uncomfortable, it's not tight, it just doesn't look, I don't know, as flattering as the other one. It does have a really pretty, I don't know if you can see, slit, and obviously it looks really good with my tan and my dark color. I feel like Esmeralda, I don't know, very beautiful, just not for me and not what I'm looking for.